morning, you guys. Happy Sunday. Today is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. So, what time is it? I don't know. I didn't check the clock yet. I know I'm early for church service today, so I just finished shower. I am prepping. I am preparing, and I'm gonna doll up a little bit, not too much, just the natural look, right? So this is how my makeup table looks like. I don't know if you can see it, but it's very simple. I already shown it before. I have my native basket for my lipstick and for my lipstick, and I also have my makeup brushes and hairbrush here. I have earrings. I have few pair of earrings here. Ayan. Few pairs of earrings. Okay. Diba? Excuse me. Ayan. And then, of course, here's my favorite verse. If like it says, "Be thou faithful unto death, and I will give thee a crown of life." This is a gift from my ex-boyfriend Al. So he gave it to me. So it says, be thou faithful unto death, and it will give thee a crown of life. Wow, very sweet. And then there's a note behind it. He said, and if you can see it, he said, "I love you so much, Shirley. You are forever my true love, and you always will be. I choose us. S.A. March 26, 2024. Okay. There you go. He chose us. Alan Shirley. I don't know. Well, we're over. We're no longer dating. We broke up. Anyway, so this is my little, my small makeup table. And here on the other side, I have a little table of, my god, it's super cluttery, but anyway, my room is still work in progress. So I have a little box here. This is where I put my jewelries. There you go. See it? Yeah. And then I also have this. This is I also have this chest. I have two chests. Ayan. This one is different pairs of earrings too. Madami ding earrings dyan. And then I have my crown. And then I also have another chest. There you go. Yes, so I have blue and red jewelry box. And then there you go. And then here sa baba, andito yung mga journal ko and everything. And then here, dito, this one, I have a small box for my jewelry na medyo may price. So, ito yung mga alam mo na yun, mga fancy little cute accessories. And the ones that are important to me, like, yung dati kong wedding ring, my engagement ring, it's here. I still have it here. And then, you know, gifts, necklaces and rings. Dito ko, I'm keeping it here on a special boxes. Ayan. Ayan, oh. This one, ayan, this one is and. Nakalagay and. It's from, oh, it says for now and forever. And this one is, hold on, let me hold this. Okay, Rogers and Haaland. Rogers and Haaland. And this is the one that I'm wearing. The cross necklace from Rogers and Haaland. Holland. Ayan. Now and forever. This is the gold cross with diamond. And what else do we have here? Excuse me. Okay, this one I got it from Jared. It's a gift before too. And then some other few stuff there that was given to me on special occasions. Tiffany, and stuff like that. Anyway, so there you have it. I'm gonna start preparing, and I'm gonna start preparing for the day. I'm probably still super early for the mass, but better early than late, right? And I am going to use Olay cream for moisturizer. Okay. A little bit more. Siyempre, lagyan mo din yung neck para pantay. I didn't put a lot of makeup lately, just because I don't have to go out and socialize. Pretty much I have my morning routine to be on my journal, morning devotion on my computer, bring my son to school, and that's it. So there you go. I already have my eyebrow on flick, but I wanted to retouch it and make it look more slick, right? So let's brush it first. Okay. I probably should have brought my ring light here, but I have to get an extension wire because I don't have a plug here near my makeup near my makeup, my vanity mirror. So I'll have a mental note of what I need to do today. Oh well. Okay, there you go. I think that should be okay, right? Okay, let me put a little bit more to make it more prominent, right? Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna put eyeshadow, but let's see. Shall we? And this one is my favorite, Paris Hilton Everyday Check. Paris Hilton Everyday Check. I also have another one, the one I got from Watson. But let's use this one instead. Okay, this is the shade. It's very neutral and tan looking eyeshadow, because I just want to make it look more natural, so let's do it. Eto. So double-sided brush siya, and then to yan. Tama na siguro ito. Ano lang, very, very plain and simple, no? Ayan. Oh my gosh. And then, let's also do a contour, right? Tingnan naman. Look at the shape of my face. It looks like... Kasi minsan, I have a little bit of jaw na para siyang, square. Pero look, oh, di ba? Anyway, I'm going to contour my face. I'm gonna use a little bit of my eyeshadow in here. Ayan, oh. Para makikita yung cheekbone mo and everything. So, yan. Simple lang talaga to, girl. Masyadong pasabog. Ayan, pak. Okay, and then we are going to put the what do you call this? Eyeliner. Mura lang to, nabili ko sa Gubat, palengke. Ayan. Ayan. Even my eyebrow too. So on this one too, because I ran out of it. Before I was using CoverGirl eyebrow. Mura lang din yon. It's also mura, but I couldn't find it here. And even if you go to Sorsogon, you buy Olay, it's very expensive. So, you know, we're super tipid here. Tinipid tayo ng Pilipinas, you guys. So this is what I'm using for my eye. So this one is eyeliner. It's very mura. And then I'm gonna show you my lipstick later. Ayan. Ang iba niyang galing pa doon. Dala ko from the US. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Okay, there you go. Guys, tinipid tayo ng Pilipinas. Dito tayo sa Pilipinas. Oh my God. I have to be very careful of my expenses and everything. So, wala na tayong time bumili ng lipstick masyado. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Oh, wow. Ang ganda. Tapos, dito nilalagyan ko dun sa baba ng eyeliner. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Kunti lang. Okay. Diba nakikita na, medyo nakikita na yung shape ng eyes. The shape of my eyes, I thought I had a cat eye, but it looks like almond shape. So my eye shape is almond. Right? Okay. Okay, there you go. And okay, and then we're going to have mascara. I couldn't find my mascara curler, but I already have my eyelashes perm. Last time I went to salon in Sorsogon to have my eyelashes perm. So I don't need to curl it. It's already curled enough. So I'm just gonna use this mascara from Maybelline, and this one is Sky High Mascara. Sky High Mascara. Okay, I'm gonna show you two different Sky High Mascara. This one I got it. This is the original Sky High Mascara. Okay, this one. I think the price is nasa 400 pesos. I think this one is around 400 pesos here. This one, 400 pesos. But, pwede ka ding bumili ng hindi original. Nakita ko to sa Novo. This one, I saw it at Novo. This is the imitation version. And this one is hindi din siya nag 100 pesos. The original, ito yung packaging niya, is rose gold. It's rose gold color, sky high. Sensational eyelashes. And then this one is the knockoff version. Nakalagay Million Pauline. Look. Ayan, this is the imitation. Yung pagkakaiba nito, I think they're both waterproof. According to the label, they're both waterproof. Paubos na yung original mascara ko, but yung pagkakaiba nito, this one, if I use it and I sleep on it without removing it, in the morning my eyes get swollen. So I don't know if I have allergic reaction to an ingredients here. But this one, medyo nasanay na ako. So let's stick with the original. Do not compromise your health with a knockoff version. Ayan. Ayan, oh. Pero in fairness, yung eyebrow ko, hindi din siya mamahalin, pero hindi naman siya makati. No. Okay lang, guys. Yeah. Okay na to. Natural looking makeup. Yung parang but you're going to have a date with the Lord. So make sure you look presentable, no? My God. Okay. And then let's go another coating. This time I'm gonna use this. So magachi. Okay. So while I'm doing my mascara, I wanna tell you a story. I'm gonna tell you a story about my jewelry because every jewelry I own has a story behind it. So I'm gonna start with my necklace, my gold necklace, the cross. It's a diamond. It has 28 diamonds, small diamonds, and it's gold. So this necklace, it was given to me by my ex-boyfriend. His name is Al. He gave this to me on his birthday. His birthday is the 23rd. The 23rd, I'm not gonna tell you the month because it's too much information. But it was his birthday. I went to his house. I gave him a gift. I gave him a perfume and then a card. So I told him how thankful I am that he's my friend and it's a significant other. He knew that already. But anyway, so on his birthday, he was showing me something on his phone. He said that he has a plan for us, plan for him. Plan for both of us, that he has a plan of us living in Tampa to settle down in the future and also to have a honeymoon in Donsol. So it was his birthday. I don't know if he was messing with me, but it was written on his phone. So I was like, is he proposing to me? it was his birthday. Sabi ko, hindi naman siguro to magjo-joke kung hindi to seryoso. But he wrote it on his phone. He said that, I want to have our honeymoon in Donsol and I want to live in Tampa, Florida. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, you're bluffing me. Kasi dapat if you're proposing to me, you should have asked, will you marry me? But he didn't say that. But then again, why are you saying honeymoon? You know? So, sabi ko, baka binabluff lang ako nito. So, sabi ko, you're bluffing me. So, yun, the story ended and sumimangot siya. Maybe he doesn't think that I believe him. So, anyway, so yun na nga, I give him my gift. It's a perfume, David Beckham perfume, mura lang din. So, tapos, hindi ako nagdala ng cake. I was planning to give him cake, but it's, ewan ko ba? Tapos, you know, we didn't go out. I just spent the morning with him. Yun, nag-usap lang kami, nag-happy birthday ako and everything. And then, pagdating ko sa bahay, naisip ko, sabi ko, oh my God, I promise that I'm gonna cook something for him. So, I cooked something for him. I cooked steak. So, nagluto ako ng steak. Tapos, at night, nung gabi na, I drove to his place with Pucci, the dog. And I gave him the ulam. And inaantok pa siya, no? Sabi ko, I will visit him, surprise him. And then, I went to his place, and then it was his birthday. Ako pa yung binigyan niya ng regalo. Birthday niya, pero ako nagkaroon ng regalo. So, he gave me a necklace. Ito na nga yun. It's from Roger and Helen. He told me that it is my protection wherever I go, that I should always wear my cross necklace because I am always protected wherever I go. Yun. So, yun na yun. So, that's the story of it. Tapos, ba't kami nag-break? Kasi nga, he has different goals. I have different goals too. I don't know if he changed his mind on me. I don't know his plan, but I'm already here in the Philippines, so I don't know. Basta pangarap niya talaga mag-move out ng Minnesota siguro. Anyway, this is what I'm going to use for my lipstick. I have this, hold on. Okay. Ayan, pink. Bagay. Okay, there you go. Simple lang, di ba? Ayan, tapos lagyan natin ng konting gloss. Lagyan natin ng konting blush. Ayan. Mahilig ako sa ganyan. Hindi talaga ako bumibili ng blush on. Yung ginagamit ko, yung lipstick ko, ginagawa ko siyang blush on. So, once I have the lipstick on my lips, ginaganyan-ganyan ko lang siya. O, diba? Para hindi maaksaya, matipid. Yan. Kurot-kurot here, kurot-kurot there. And there you go. Natural blush. Okay, there you have it, guys. Enough with our chismisan this morning. I am heading to church. So, yun na yun. I have my blush on and then simple look lang siya. Okay. Alright. There you have it. Thank you for watching.